Alright guys, so welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing PC Building Simulator 2 once again. Um, so today we're going to be making the all AMD PC build, so like AMD GPU. Basically one of my other videos, but this time AMD. My other video was all Intel build, but let's just get started with it. So AMD CPU, um, I'm just saying we should just use a 5700. No. A Ryzen 7. We should use one of these and a 97X. So AM5, and this one is really detailed. Yeah, it looks really detailed here. But anyways, this is. Oh wait, this is the new one, the 9700X. Um. Okay, so this is a bit new for me. I did not realize it already. It was here already. So, dang, that's cool. But let's just go with CPU cooler. Um, let's just go with the AMD cooler since this is the all AMD build. Um, Motherboard, we can. There's no like AMD motherboard. Just checked it, but we could just get a decent decent AM5 motherboard. So I say we should get one of the newer ones since we do have the a newer CPU. So let's just get the ASRock X870E Nova. Um, this is memory. Memory is just memory. Like you can't really get like more AMD memory, which it doesn't exist. So um, let's go with some G skill Trident. And let's get this version. Get 4 sticks of 32 gigabytes. GPU. GPU. We might as well just go with the the newest GPU we unlocked. So like whichever one says AMD first, we're gonna use. And in this case, it's the MSI Radeon RX 6900 XT, which for our CPU it's a bit low, but it could work. Let's just get. Might as well just put 2 of them as well, just in case if we could use it. But let's just go in SSD. Let's just get some PNY storage. They're pretty good, pretty fast. This is a CPU cooler. Let's go with a EVGA Supernova 1600 T2. Something new. I never used it before, so why not? Fans. There's no AMD fan, but yeah, no. We're not gonna get any. If it's not AMD, if there's no AMD branding on it, we don't get it. Case. What would be a good case to store this in? I'd say we just get a Corsair case. So I got my eye got attracted to this one, Corsair IQ 5000T. Let's get the black edition. Normally I use the white one, but it'll be a little different today. We're using black. And here's our case. One. This one. So we're not gonna install any new fans or nothing, so we're just gonna put it all together. So first the X870 Nova edition. CPU. We installed a CPU, which is the new AMD Ryzen 7 9700X. And once again, it's really detailed. Like you can see all the letters and stuff. So it's pretty nice. I'm glad they're putting more detail into each things. But here is our RAM. 128 gigabytes of G-Skill Trident RAM. A thermal paste. And CPU cooler. The AMD Rafter. Now, I'm afraid that this might lag behind due to it's a higher end CPU, so I'm afraid this cooler, which is like for like Ryzen 5 and stuff, like I feel like it might slack off a bit, but want to give it a shot, you know. Um, this is the only slot I could put GPU in. I was originally gonna put like 2 of them in, but I don't think we can fit one down there. Let's see, we got everything installed, just the power supply now, and we should be good. So let's just remove these 2 driver bays and see what we're working with here. EVGA 600 watt power supply. Not too shabby in my opinion, not too shabby. Yeah, that's just the entire build. Let's just put everything back together. Top panel, dust filter, and the side panels. And there we go. It's a nice and clean build. That the RGB lines up, so no need for signal RGB. Yeah. Let's just put this in. And there we go. Just install the benchmarks, and we should be able to work our magic. So that should be it. So I want to turn this on and power monitor. So let me just make this infinite. Also, we're chilling at 35 degrees. And we should do this now. Let's see how we do. We have 8 cores, 5.5 gigahertz, and Radeon RX 6900 XT. So, let's see, 12,000. Oh, 11,000. Not too bad. And we did not throttle, so dang, we have a lot of room for overclocking. We only reached 48 degrees. This is it's a good cooler. I was doubting it a bit too much, but it's fine. Okay. Now we should do this. Now with this GPU, I feel like we might slack behind a little bit, but considering our temperatures for the CPU, it might just like entirely be slacked. But the RGB looks nice, the motherboard looks nice, case looks great. You see the white. Yeah, it looks like a really nice dealership or something. I'm pretty sure these are lights at the bottom as well. So like when you turn this on at night, it's like a good path. It lights up the ground below you. Pretty nice. But we are rocking like around 100, 120 for the first one, 100 or 96.6 for this one. Temperatures, we are doing fine, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 60 degrees, we're chilling. And positive airflow just coming in. This is just blowing it on this wall or the glass panel. CPU, we're getting 46.8. So just 47 frames as well. And we are not throttling, so there's definitely room for changes and potential for the CPU to get like maybe 100 FPS if they release the Ryzen the 9950X, which I believe is a Threadripper CPU, but whatever. So we got 16,000 on the GPU. I mean overall 17,000 GPU, 14,000 CPU, and yeah. So that is gonna be the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.